Okay, this is a two-part video, 1504 Gemini Street. Sewer line takes a turn and actually goes out to the cross street of Madrona. I don't believe there's any kind of lateral hookups in front of the house on Gemini, so it goes through the yard and does a pretty long run, 94 feet all the way out to the cross street here. And as I'm pulling back, all the concrete looked good, and there was only one joint right here that looks like there's minor roots coming through the joint. Also, there's a couple Y's in the line, and one may be the neighbor coming through. So we're just trying to figure that out, map it out. I believe the Y was up close to the house, so I'm going to take a look at that and recommend contacting the city and just confirming that the sanitary, that there's no conforming sewer, and if so, that there's an easement recorded with the city and that everything's acceptable tying in together if that is the case. We will pull back to that Y and try to get the neighbor, if anybody's home, to flush and just try to see if there's any activity coming through that pipe. Okay, here's the Y coming in. So I do a 90 at the clean out, and then there's another Y that comes in. So I'm not sure where this line's coming in, if it's for a neighbor or not. We will try to get confirmation with some water activity at the neighbor's home. I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to do some locates. There was one joint that had some little tiny root stubs in it. Besides that, there's no other issue that I can find with the line at this time, except for this Y here, trying to figure out if it's joining in with a neighbor going through the yard. If it is, there's probably something recorded with the city as well. I'm going to stop and do some locates.